Hi, Larissa here from Baselane's customer success team. Today, I just want to provide an overview of our rent collection tool. When you're using Baselane's rent collection tool, you're able to track and collect your rent from any of the tenants that you have. What I love about our rent collection tool is there's a payment summary. So you always know where your rent is, whether it's processing, in transit, it's completed, or of course it's overdue. These inboxes are going to actually show you the invoices that are currently in transit. We provide a payment timeline for transparency, letting you know when the funds will be in your account. Completed to show you what has been completed for the month. Of course, our boxes also have filter statuses, so you can always double check, past months, customize it, and just kind of track to see how many invoices have been completed and such. And of course, overdue. This is great, if you have tenants who haven't paid yet, you always have an idea of what is overdue, what invoice, what date, and such, so you can contact your tenants yourself. Separately, our rent collection setup is quite simple and easy to use. There's only 6 steps, and I'll go into more detail on how to do that in a separate video, but very user friendly. And lastly, what I love is that when you have an active rent collection, it's going to display, your property name, the unit, the tenant details, duration, even rent amount, and you can simply click on the property or wherever you'd like for your active rent collection, and you're going to see a tenant onboarding progress. This is really nice for transparency to see, has the invite been sent? Is the account activated? Did your tenant add their payment method? So there's a lot of flexibility here too, just to kind of let you know, where does your tenant stand with creating their account? We have flexibility with editing your rent collection terms. So if you need to extend your lease, make changes, change the rent amount, you can do so here. Separately, you have access to all of your invoices. So if you need to make changes to an invoice, if you need to, mark it as paid if it was paid outside of Baselane, you have the ability to edit invoices that are currently unpaid, overdue, mark it as paid, make changes, and you can also add an invoice. I like this because if you need to charge for a repair or utilities, something unrelated to rent, you can create a one-time invoice fee here. Again, Baselane's rent collection tool is super easy to use, to set up. You're always able to track your rent payments, understand, where does your tenant stand with their rent, as well as when will it be in your bank account. And of course, you have the ability to make edits to invoices, add one-time fees, extend your lease and such. It's a great tool to have and awesome for landlords to stay on top of their rent collection. I hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.